Welcome back to Dollar Tree and brand new organizing products. Here's Dollar Tree product line of new organizing containers. I really like the gray and the green, and I especially like the die cut patterns. There's one that even has palm leaves inside of it. It looks really cool. The organization for closets and pantries just keeps getting better. These are all new products. These containers, I love that the lids are on these so that they stay together. This is really great in a pantry. Keep your eyes peeled in the office and craft section for these organizers. These are also great in fridges. In the office section, a great find for the kitchen are these magnetic notepads. These are a great find. These are awesome, great quality, and work well in a kitchen. Brought these back because it's summer. It's only $5. These large totes make great stair baskets, and it works great for laundry. Anti-fatigue kitchen mats. All of these are awesome. I have all of these woven baskets. These run $3 to $5. This waste basket is $5. This would look really nice in a bathroom. This is really nice, this little shaker. These Dollar Tree mason jar cups are also awesome. I love that these are glass and affordable. These glass containers are awesome. My friends, follow your heart.